Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we're improving how your PS4 games look by adjusting one key PS4 graphics setting. Place your PS4 on a stable surface and make sure your PS4 is powered on normally. Pick up your PS4 controller and go to the PS4 home screen. On the PS4 menu, move to these settings icon using the PS4 controller. Press X on the PS4 controller to open the PS4 settings menu. Scroll down and locate Sound and Screen on your PS4. Select Sound and Screen on your PS4 by pressing X. Now choose Video Output Settings on your PS4. This is where most PS4 graphics improvements are made. First, select Resolution on your PS4. If available, change the PS4 resolution to 1080p for the best clarity on most TVs. If your PS4 is already on 1080p, confirm it and move to the next setting. Now go to RGB range on your PS4. Change the PS4 RGB range to full for richer colors on modern HDMI TVs. Only use limited on your PS4 if your TV specifically requires it. Next, scroll to HDR in PS4 video settings. If your TV supports HDR, enable HDR on your PS4 for more vibrant highlights and deeper shadows. If your TV does not support HDR, your PS4 will keep this setting off automatically. Now move down to Deep Color Output on your PS4. Set Deep Color Output to Automatic on your PS4. This allows your PS4 to use wider color ranges when available. Go back to the main PS4 settings menu. Scroll down to System on your PS4. In the PS4 System menu, look for Enable HDCP. If you use capture cards, keep HDCP disabled on your PS4. But if you want full streaming app support, keep HDCP enabled on your PS4. Now return to the PS4 home screen. Open a game on your PS4 that you are familiar with visually. Pause the game on your PS4 and open its in-game video settings if available. Some PS4 games allow toggling motion blur, sharpness, or resolution scaling. Reduce motion blur in PS4 games to improve overall clarity. Increase sharpness in PS4 games if the slider is available. Resume gameplay and observe visual improvements on your PS4. If the image still appears dull, check the HDMI cable connected to your PS4. Power off your PS4 using the PS4 controller. Gently unplug the HDMI cable from the PS4. Inspect the HDMI port on the PS4 for dust or damage. Use a dry air blower to clear dust from the PS4 HDMI port. Reconnect the HDMI cable firmly back into the PS4 port. Ensure the HDMI cable is also firmly connected to the TV, not loose. Power on your PS4 again and return to the PS4 home screen. Test the PS4 image quality again in a game. If the PS4 image looks stretched or too bright, adjust your TV's picture mode. Set the TV mode to Game Mode while using the PS4. Game Mode reduces input lag and improves PS4 responsiveness. Avoid using Vivid or Dynamic on TVs as they can distort PS4 colors. Keep the TV sharpness level low to prevent grainy PS4 images. Try adjusting brightness and contrast to balance PS4 visuals. Mid-level brightness helps PS4 games look natural. Higher contrast helps PS4 colors appear more distinct. Return to your PS4 game and test again. You should now see sharper textures and clearer image output on your PS4. If improvements are slight, try switching to a certified high-speed HDMI cable for your PS4. Older HDMI cables can restrict the PS4 signal. Once replaced, restart the PS4 to apply new video handshakes. Check graphics quality one more time in your PS4 game. Small adjustments can make a big difference in PS4 visual quality. Every TV reacts differently, so experiment until your PS4 looks its best. Thanks for following along and improving your PS4 picture quality with TechVibes. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful PS4 fixes and tutorials.